Hello everybody, my name is Alex Plant and today I'm going to teach you the basic steps of waltz, starting with the natural turn, the reverse turn and the box step. First thing that we're going to do is our position. Where do we stand? Which foot do we stand on? Our arms and our arm position. Here we go. The first thing is our weight is on the right foot. So you can see all my weight will be on the right foot with my body lined up over that right foot. The left foot will be placed to the side of the right foot on the inside edge. The right arm goes out to the side and slightly forward. Bend the elbow and make sure the elbow is higher than the hand. The hand will place on the lady's back. The left hand goes up, bends at the elbow, and the hand will come in. And the hand is at eye height. Okay, let's get on to the box step. Here we go. The box step, we have our position, and we're going to lower, and we're going to move on the left leg forwards, collecting the weight underneath our body. Just go to the side, into center balance, up onto 2 feet, lowering 1 foot. Moving back, collect the weight, center balance, up onto the feet and lowering. Once again, lowering, moving forwards, collect the leg under the body, go into center balance, up and lowering again. Moving the leg backwards, collecting the leg under the body, moving to center balance, collecting both feet under the body and lowering once again. Okay, we're going to now do the box step on the other side. Place arms into the exact same position, poised head, and lowering on the left leg, moving forwards on the right, collecting the weight under the body, center balance, moving up, collecting the weight under the body, lowering, striking back, collect the weight under the body, strike up into center balance, and close the feet. We'll do this one more time on the other side. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Moving now, we're going to move on to the reverse turn. Placing our hands into position, elbow is higher than the right arm, and from here we're going to do our reverse turn. Step 1, 1. Close the feet under, swing the right leg LOD, 2, 3. Good. Lowering now, 1. Moving to the side, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is our reverse turn. What I want you to be aware of and what we don't want you to do is turning too early. Placing our arms into position, I'm going to show you now what we don't want. Step 1, 1, turn, 2, 3, and once again, turn, turn, side, forward, and from the back you will see 1, 2, 3, and one more time, 1, 2, 3. This was a bad one. What I want to show you is the good one now. One more time. We are not going to turn. 1, collect the leg, swing the leg now forwards, and there is our turn. Moving back now, backwards, swinging the left side back, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is our reverse turn. Moving now onto our natural turn, placing our arm in the correct position, and step 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. I'm now going to show you what I want you to do, a little bit of explanation. Arms in position, and step 1, collect the weight, swing under, 2, 3. Backwards, 1, 2, 3. Forwards, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. What I don't want you to do, which is very common, is turn. So it's 1, turn, side, close, back, turn, side, close, forward, turn, side, close, back, turn, side, close. Okay, that is the end of today's lesson. To recap on what we have done, today we have done our position, our basic position, the basic box, both sides on the left and right leg. We have done the reverse turn, showing you what I want you to do and what I don't want you to do, and the natural turn, again showing the bad one and the good one. I hope you have enjoyed, and we will see you very soon. Bye bye.